I'm excited to introduce you to this month's Happy Mail subscription box. This is called Grandma's Attic. It's inspired by the grandma chic trend that's going around. And we try to make this if you're digging in grandma's closet, what you might find in her attic or in her closet. So we've got some pretty pale pinks, some golds, that sparkly old-fashioned jewelry in your grandma's attic. Then we have some pretty greens and grays and creams to balance it all out. So let's go ahead and cover what is in this kit. Every Happy Mail kit starts with a beautiful Encore color palette. This month we have Pink Champagne, Vanilla Ice Cream, Thundercloud, Forest Green, and Shamrock. So just a fun, unexpected color palette. And then we've chosen some specialty papers that coordinate with that. This is Mary Sparkle. This is a very fine no-shed glitter paper that actually cuts exceptional. You're really gonna love that. Echo Park Blossom with the gold foil dots. This is Glitter Luxe Ballerina, and it's a white and pink mixed glitter. Let me see if I can catch the light, but you can kind of see the overall effect is kind of a pale pink, but it does have both white and pink flecks in it. Then we have Sirio Pearl in Gold. This is a pearlescent smooth cardstock. My favorite of the whole kit is this gold marble foil paper. And it's foiled on one side and white on the reverse. Beautiful. Then we have another sheet of Glitter Luxe. This is Champagne, super sparkly. And then Champagne Fusion for the sequin. You can see those sequins have kind of a hexagon shape, so something kind of unique. Then we have another piece of Sirio Pearl Pearlescent. This is Polar Dawn. It's hard to catch the light with the white, but it is pearlescent. We have an American Crafts wood grain textured white. I'm going to try to catch that, but it's embossed with a wood grain pattern. Then we have Pop Tone Hot Fudge, which is just a smooth brown. This is our Grana Grossa, and it is kind of similar to letterpress cardstock. It's really thick, and it has that like dimpled kind of cottony look, so it's just beautiful paper. And then finishing off with a sheet of Encore Vellum in tea green. So that is the Grandma's Attic kit, and it comes perfectly coordinated, so you can just open it up and get started making. And of course, there are exclusives included, and I'll tell you those are really fun, and they coordinate with the theme beautifully. So those are a mystery, and you'll have to order it to get it. And of course, there is a free bonus project included. This month, we'll be making this beautiful sparkly box, perfect to hold a small gift. We're excited to see what you'll make with this. The beauty of these is you can just open this up and start creating because everything is already coordinated for you. Go ahead and grab this now. It's available now while supplies last.